The M4 Sherman Tank. Between 1942 and 1946, a little over 49,000 of these bad boys were pumped out to defeat the Nazis. Let's take a look at these welds. I believe this is a 75 millimeter heart stopper. Pretty decent size on there. Multi-passes all around these plates right here. This looks an inch and a half. Massive. I'd imagine they're not trying to make any show ponies. Just trying to bang these bad boys out. Imagine the hate that comes out of that right there. Additional reinforcement plating. Probably not going to pass any AWS inspectors out there these days, but like we said, trying to kill some Nazis. Whee! Like sub-arc in here maybe. Pretty dang fancy.